I like to take some myself.
Sorry. Wait, I want to show the claw. You can just walk into it too.
Just try and hit one.
Smash!
There you go. You're
Smash, Paul!
No, just smash it with the claw.
Smash it with the claw.
You're not smashing.
Walk more. Yeah, now do it.
There you go. It's the trigger.
It's one of the. It's do it again. Walk more. Keep the claw out and walk. Yeah.
The eyes are so angry when the claw is out.
Angry.
That's great.
Oh, jeez.
Can you turn? Oh, you can turn.
Yeah.
Smack the other one. Like actually walk over.
It's not great on carpet.
It's fine though.
Like walk over
So
to
much
the other
better.
one and actually get
Yeah,
close
yeah,
enough
yeah.
that you can just like get a little bit
Yeah.
closer. Now you can like, a little bit closer.
It's very difficult.
Fine tune adjustments.
Okay.
Smack it.
Die.
Ah!